can see, I'm in a different setting, and I just want to do a talking intro because I know I do a lot of voiceovers, but I'm gonna start doing some get ready with me's, some girl talks, all of that, because I feel like I need to engage with y'all more. But yeah, this video is on this look. It's a yellow cut crease with glitter, a yellow glitter cut crease is what I'm gonna call. So yeah, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, comment. If you are not subscribed, what are you doing? What are you here for? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what you'd like to see more. Comment what you liked about this video. If you have any questions, let me know. Follow me on all my socials, and yeah, so we can stay connected and you guys can see when I am going to upload, because I always post first. Do that. But yeah, stay tuned to this video so you can slay like me. Okay. Hey y'all. So country, but we've already primed our lids with the Fenty concealer, of course, and I'm going to take this Sculpt shade from the Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just going to use that as my transition. I need a name to call y'all, call my subbies, but I'm just blending that out, of course. Now I'm taking this mustard yellow shade, and I'm using this brush just to pack it into my crease. But it's pretty much going to get blended in between the transition shade. And sorry about the noises in the background, and there's a TV on in the other room, but we're working through it. Now I'm taking this fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend out that yellow into that crease color. And y'all, I'm sorry my brushes look a little funky. I just washed them like 15 minutes before I filmed this, so it was hard, but I needed to film. And I had did an eyeshadow look before that was really pigmented, and I had to wash them or this was gonna come out a mess. But this orange shade I'm using, I ended up going back over it with some brown because I didn't like how it looked, honestly. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm putting that directly into the crease, just to not really add some more depth, but just more color, more dimensions of color, because I don't want this shadow dark at all. This is supposed to be bright and summery, you know the vibes. This whole look remind me of like the Sun Drop soda, if y'all remember when it used to be on the commercials with the Snoop Dogg song. Yeah, anyways, I'm going to blend that out. Not too much because it's not necessary, because I am going to take some more yellow because it did kind of get lost, and that's what I'm doing here. And it's really just going to make everything come together. So now I'm cutting my crease, and I ended up switching brushes because, like I said, I washed my brushes right before this, and I was struggling. Like, my brush wouldn't be flat at all. I need new brushes, period. But it got easier when I switched to this brush. And I'm going to film a detailed tutorial on how I cut my creases, so stay tuned for that. And also, I promised a eyelash tutorial on how to apply false lashes, so stay tuned to that as well. Just try to get it as precise as you possibly can. The key to this is using a flat brush. Okay, so now that our cut creases are complete, I'm going to take this brighter yellow shade and I'm literally going to just pack it onto the concealer because I want this to be super, super pigmented. And let me know if y'all like longer videos rather than short ones. Like, are y'all actually watching these videos to the end or what? I like for my videos to be around, well, my tutorials, makeup tutorials, around 8 to 10 minutes, especially if you're being like, you know, if I'm trying to be very, very detailed. Now I'm taking this glitter and this duo lash glue and I'm going to apply it to the inner corner and pack this glitter on. And I'm sorry that it wasn't in the camera, but yeah. But anyways, that's the length I like my videos. I don't like really, really short videos, but my vlogs need to be longer as well. But I'm taking this orange and working that into the outer corners. Then I'm going to go back into the brown and work that in the outer corner as well. Like, look how pretty this came out. This is just so pretty, you guys. Perfect for summer. And y'all, I am so proud of myself. I have been on this YouTube shit, okay? You have to be consistent. And I've learned that, like, nobody is going to watch somebody's channel and videos who only post, like, once a month. I'm just not. So I applied my lashes off camera. And now I am taking this Milani Bigger Lash Mascara. And I'm just going to apply that to my top, well, to my lashes to blend them in. And I lined my lash line with some black matte eyeshadow. Y'all don't talk about me. Y'all already know I can't find my liquid eyeliner. But I'm taking that same orange shade and putting it on the bottom. And I'm going to apply some bottom mascara. But guess what, y'all? I filmed this yesterday and I'm already editing it. And it's going up today as well. But I went to the store and I got some eyeliner. Some matte black eyeliner. So get off me. But I'm just applying this. Now I'm taking this Wet n Wild pencil. I forget what color this is. And I'm just lining my lips. My crusty lips. And I'm taking this Kylie gloss in the shade Literally. I love this gloss. Oh, y'all, and yesterday I got some new glosses from NYX. Oh my gosh, I had to re-up. But yeah, that's what I got. I can't wait to use them. Now I'm taking this, and this is Revlon's gloss in the shade Sky Pink. And I'm just applying that to the middle. It didn't really make a difference, but I still wanted it there. Now I'm topping everything off with this Ruby Kisses lip oil. I love this. This is my everyday gloss, honestly. And that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.